What's going on, everybody? So we got something new in this here box, just come in the mail. Let's cut it open and see what's what. Got my cool ass fucking kitchen knife. I don't think I got it. Well, I do have a couple knives, but this is more convenient. There we go. We got this motherfucker open. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. Yeah, buddy. We got the Nelson-Rigg. This is a top case for the I'm gonna put this on the FZ07. So let's go do that right quick. All right, so this is the Nelson-Rigg 1060S. Okay, so here's a little bit about this product. It is the Nelson-Rigg CL 1060S Sports Tail Seat Pack. And if y'all want to, you can pause the video right here and you'll be able to read this. It also came with an instruction manual. It's pretty self-explanatory, really didn't need that. They did give you a cool sticker. I think that was pretty cool of them. These are the straps I'm not going to use. Like on here it says you can strap it to a whole bunch of different places on your bike. No need. And yeah, I actually got this idea from CycleCruza, and I was able to find a link in the description of one of his videos. I'll leave a link for him down below. He really makes some good stuff, so you might want to check out his channel. So unfortunately it's raining today, but I got to ride a little bit earlier. It sucks. Anyway, here we have the Nelson-Rigg. Let's check it out real quick. So I put it on, actually attached to the seat, so there's no I guess straps hanging anywhere, which I like that, you know. Pretty similar to the one I have on the Ninja over there. So let's open it up and show you what you get. Alright, got her open. So you get a divider in the middle, a couple of extra straps. I guess there's several different ways you can put this on. If you didn't want to hook it directly on into the seat, you can, I guess, put it on a peg or something, but I think that's probably the best way to do it. You've got this divider, which I'm going to end up taking out and putting in this mesh holder. You also have a place to put a couple of pins right there. But let me show you something else that comes with it. So it also comes with this rain cover, I guess. Not a big fan of that. It's just more extra, and you think they'd just make the material out of whatever that's made out of. But I did want to show you one more thing about this top case. So this thing is also expandable. You've got this zipper right here. You just bring it all the way across, and you can lift it up a bit, and you get more storage out of it, which actually might come in pretty handy if I decide to take any trips or whatever with this. What I do want to do is get some bags, maybe hard bags, maybe soft bags for the Ninja, if I wanted to go on an extended trip. As y'all know, I use a scooter for most of my shopping, but you know, being a YouTuber and all, you want to be able to haul your shit around for filming and maybe a couple other items. So I'm glad I got this thing. So overall, I'm pretty much pleased with the look of it all. I doubt I end up taking this thing off. Maybe like if I go to maybe bike week or something like that, I might take it off. Or definitely if you're going to put a passenger on the back, you would have to. But oh man, I can't. Not even on one hand has it been the amount of times I've had somebody on the back of one of my bikes. So that's really not a big deal for me. Anyway, Thank you for watching the video. If you could, give me a like, leave a comment, share the video. I appreciate all y'all. Until the next time, I'll catch you later.